Hey everybody, so I want to talk about the quality of light bulbs today, at least one specific thing that I just noticed. So when I was in the barn, I was going to be changing out the little outdoor motion sensor light to this bulb. It's a 1600 lumen, it's a 5000K bulb, so it's one of those white looking bulbs, and the bulb that was in there was the same exact light bulb, except it was the 3800K or whatever, the yellowish kind of, you know what I mean, like that light over here, because I wanted more visibility on the door right there. So I put this thing in, turned on the light, and it didn't work. So I thought, well, maybe the LED is bad. So as I was grabbing it and it was, wiggling when I was unscrewing it, mind you, the switch is still on, it started flickering on and off. So if I grab this and push it up or turn it to the side or like this, you know what I mean, the bulb would work. If I let go of it where it stayed straight, it stopped working. So I pulled it out and I'm looking at the bottom of it, and I don't know if you can see this. This thing will focus. So here's the bottom. Look at that coating. This stupid phone. You see that coating, how it's worn out right there? And there's like a plastic or whatever, what's underneath that, I'm not sure. It's probably metal, but it's not a coating, a lead coating like this. But this is so paper thin. You can see the side down here. You see how thin it is? That's a brand new style LED bulb that you can buy like in Lowe's or wherever. Now this is an older incandescent bulb. This is another GE. They're both GE incandescent bulb. This one is like probably at least 20 plus years old. It's been in the barn, not used that much, but it's been upside down. And usually I noticed when the bulbs are upside down like that and they're not used a lot, these things can last decades. So anyway, notice the bottom of this one. If I can get it focused, it doesn't have lead anywhere on there except for that center point. But look how thick that one blob of lead is right there. Do you see what I'm saying? Now look at the old LED, the one, or the new LED I was talking about. There's hardly any thickness at all. It's like paper thin. That's why it kind of rubbed off right there. And that's why the light doesn't work anymore. Now this is another GE bulb. This is a 50 watt metal halide light. Never been used. Here's the bottom of this one. You see that thick layer of lead right there? If I can get this stupid thing to focus. That thick layer of lead, you can tell easier from the top. It's really thick on this light bulb. Here is a newer style LED floodlight. This one is also GE, but it's brand new. Okay, look at the bottom of this one. This one hasn't been used yet. Maybe once it has, but you can see that one time it's been used, it's already starting to wear out that little thin, like flaky coating. You see how thin that is? It's terrible. So the brand new LED light bulbs have this stupid thin coating that wear off. And this bulb, mind you, used to be in the building I have that I never talk about. I unscrewed it there, brought it to my shop, screwed it into my ceiling fan in the shop, and then from my ceiling fan from another light fixture. So it's been unscrewed like 3 or 4 times. That 3 or 4 times has worn out this coating, so now this light doesn't work anymore. So the only thing I can think of fixing that is by using solder and flux and putting some more solder on the light bulb. That's really stupid. So this light, you mean to tell me that LED lights today can only be used like 3 or 4 times before the bottom coating wears out? So that's the quality difference between these two LEDs and these two older style HID and halogen light bulbs. The bulbs back then were built much better than they are today. It's kind of stupid actually, considering the price of these LED lights. Anyway, thanks for watching.